Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will let you know how to remove grease or oil stain from clothes. Step number 1. Blot away any excess grease or oil with a paper towel. Try to get as much grease or oil away from clothing as next step, cover grease or oil stain generously with baby powder. Next step, remove the baby powder from the clothing with a paper towel or spoon. Next step, work a small amount of hand washing detergent and water into stain with your thumb. Once the detergent begins to form up, take an old toothbrush and begin rubbing the stain using circular motions. In the next step, wash the clothing alone with laundry detergent. Follow washing instructions on clothing label exactly. Thank you for watching this video. For more informative videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel.